come do my lashes with me with this new brand called Hohad BR. So this one has 10, 12, 16, and 18 length, and this is the style natural. Then you have dense and you have thick. So let's try this out. So I think I'm gonna do like the 10 and natural, and then I'm gonna do the 12 and the mildly dense, and then I'm gonna go on, I'll probably do 10 and 14 and mildly dense, and then 16 and 18 on the outer corners, so it's like really cat eye-ish. Let's see. So the first thing I like to do is take the tip and then like put it right here in the corner and then kind of bend it. See? That way we have a perfect like way we can just. So I'm gonna go in with the glue again and just kind of focusing on the next part. Dense number 12. See that one. Now I'm gonna go in with 14 from the thick one. And then 16 from the thick. Oh. Oh, that's really long. Oh, I love it. Let's go ahead and put 18 in the corners. 18 is the bottom one, the thick one. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, how long it is. Oh, oh my gosh. Look at that cat eye. So I'm gonna take the ceiling part. I want it to look cat eye, like when it goes up with the face. So you just put this in the corners to seal the glue, to make it bond. You can clamp this again. Now let me look because I'm halfway blind. Let me look in the mirror here. And you just clamp this down. See? You're done. You can put mascara on this too. It looks really pretty. Let me do my other side that y'all can see it done. Get yours today, because these lashes, I only use like 5, not 4 or 5 pieces on each eye, and my whole package is like so full. Look at that. That's all I used. This will last me all summer. I think next time I'm gonna do a little bit shorter. I'm gonna do the longer 18 ones in the middle and then do a little bit shorter on the edges to see how that looks, because I like that kind of look too. I'll do that. See how long these last. But so far I love them. Look how pretty.